Anyone that's now joining, we got a live tornado warning, live intercept coming. Wow. I don't know if this is dust or if this, we're just waiting. Circulation! It's dropping!
Viewpoint west.
Either a viewpoint west, and if you can, maybe point the vehicle the other direction.
Around, yeah.
So that way we can be ready to blast.
I want to be just north of it and get it down south. Let's go right here. We just have to launch the drone to see what it's
Yeah, I'm gonna get ready. Here we go, guys.
There's no best for the forward flank.
Yeah, it's a little rainy, but here we go. I think we're right in the path of it right now. I think we're directly in the path of this tornado.
Moving too close to this can. It's definitely jumping at us. A little bit less.
See if I can get some better.
Yeah, that's a tornado. I think we got to get ready for that.
It's clear right now.
Yeah. Maybe even deploy a gravity wave sensor here.
I think you should do that. I think you should do that. This rain's a little much.
Where's black tape?
It's in the back. I have Gorilla Tape here though. Here's Gorilla Tape. You can use that. Oh, I love you guys. I love them.
I need an exact GPS position though right here.
Okay. I think it's getting closer. You can hear the wind. Come on. I need to get some better connection. I got no reception, guys.
We're wrapping up right now. I think we're getting.
Come on, baby. Work with me here.
Let me do it. Oh, it's almost here. I'm working on it. Okay, I got coordinates. I got him. Working on it.
Those ones are wicked. Come on, baby. About 5-10 minutes out, guys. 5-10 minutes out.
Working on it.
5-10 minutes out. Getting that wrap around, getting those winds now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Carving out a lot of rain. Hit my leg. Or at least not just you. See, we can communicate. We gotta go south.
Alright guys, everyone that's joining now, we're going to give some people time to join. There's Reed. Oh man, gotta love him. It's coming, guys. First interception. All storm chasers on this intersection. Get ready, guys. We're getting ready to intercept. Live intercept. Live intercept, guys. Get ready. Live intercept. We got Reed Timmer out here too. Live intercept, guys. Live intercept. Couplet. Defined couplet coming right towards us right now, guys. Tornado warning heading right towards us, guys. Nice couplet. We got a clear slot coming right over us right now. Winds are wrapping around. We're about to intercept it here in the next 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. If I cut this, if I cut the live and it pauses, it's because I gotta check the radar. So bear with me, guys. Anyone that's now joining, we got a live tornado warning intercept in progress right now. We're just south of 82, south of Cameron, Mississippi. Live intercept. Tight couplet, guys. We're just gonna wait here for it to come right over this freeway. Come on, baby. Live intercept, live intercept. Here, take that. Take the thing. We gotta turn back around. It's gonna be coming straight from behind us. If there's anything on the ground. That's if there's anything on the ground. That's if there's anything on the ground right now. I can't see. Give me a second. All right, guys, here we go. I think we're gonna pull in right over here. Yeah, this looks good. This looks real good. It's pulling right here. Right here's good. Oh, crap. All right. Let's get out of here real quick. Give me a second, guys. I'm gonna check the radar loop real quick. Or north. Facing north. All right. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. I'm not 100% sure, but there's a good chance it might be rain wrapped. There it is. There's the base right there. Base coming in right here. A little bit of a broad rotation. We're definitely going to see how this goes. I think I hear tornado signs going off. I think that's it. I'm not sure. Oh yeah. Look at that down there. I think it's crossing over right over there. Get that outflow. Should be here by now. Right there. said, won't be able to see it too well because most of these are gonna be rain wrapped, but that definitely looks like that might have been it. Be right back, guys. I'm gonna check on the radar real quick, get an update here. Yeah, guys, I think that was it. Went right, just right to our north. I think we're gonna have to drop and start heading back down to the east option. See if we can catch back up to it. Nothing too impressive right now. That's a bummer. All right, guys, we're in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Got tornado sirens coming at us right now. Confirmed tornado. Second one of the day. We have the tornado sirens going off right now in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Tornado on the ground heading right for Tuscaloosa. Tornado sirens blaring, guys. Yeah, we need to get set up over here. Because I don't know how, I don't see any correlation drops yet, but the tornado sirens and everything's going off right now in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Yeah, I'm currently in it. Prod couplet. Second tornado warning of the day. Wow, look at that lightning. I think we got a clear slot right here. Holy crap. Yeah, oh, yep, I see it. I see it, guys. Looks like tornado is on the ground. Can't seem to get it clear. Gotta get a clear slot in here somewhere. Come on. There's gotta be some clear in here somewhere. Go figure. This is what happens when you try to multitask everything. Brought me to a dead-end road. Alright, guys, we're just gonna jump back on here. That rotation's about to, holy crap. Alright, we're just gonna stay. Should be able to see it as long as we can get some view over here. If I can get it clear. We're just gonna park it right up in here. It's gonna be our best bet, guys. What we're working with right now. That's all we got to work with, a Ford dealership. Probably not the best place to be, but that's what we got to deal with right now. I promise, guys, I'm not coming to buy a car right now. Not right now. Maybe after this I will. Holy crap. Wow. Alright. Some of the closest lightning I've ever seen. Hopefully they don't mind me parking in their parking lot. South, where's southwest? Yep, should be coming right over there. Right over there, guys. That's where it should be coming from. Let's see here. What is my... Oh, we're good. We got 6 minutes. Give me a second, guys. Yeah, I think we're gonna drop south just to that intersection right up here. It's almost here, guys. Almost here. Correlation's dropping. Got a dry slot. No rain. No rain. Here she is. Right to my right. Tornado warning, Tuscaloosa. Or however you say it. Can't even talk right now. My adrenaline is pumping, guys. It is pumping. Alright, I think we got it. We're just gonna stay on this boundary, so if we gotta drop south just in case, we can do that. Just in case things hit the fan. Because I can't get a clear view on this until it's really close. So we're gonna do the best we can to work with what we got. Yep. All right, guys. This is it. Well, it just got really dark. All right, guys. It should not be this dark. Circulation! It's dropping! It's dropping, guys! We got debris signatures! Wow! Holy crap! Wow. Looks like that couplet just went just to our south. Not sure if there's anything confirmed yet. Holy snap! Wind correlation's now switching, coming out of the south. Winds are wrapping around. Wow, my car's shaking now. Car's shaking. Car's pulling. Absolutely insane. Wow. Absolutely insane, guys.